Complete the following reaction sequence and select the correct option. Here given one is cyclohexene. Cyclohexene, when it is reacted with NBS, NBS is N-bromosuccinimide. So we know very well NBS is used for the allylic substitution. Whenever NBS is used, it supplies bromine free radical that will substitute hydrogen from allylic carbon or benzylic carbon via stable allylic free radical or benzylic free radical. So simply we should remember whenever NBS is there, just you substitute hydrogen from allylic or benzylic carbon, whichever is available. So P is nothing but allyl bromide. After the formation of P, magnesium with ether. So whenever alkyl halide is there, on reaction with magnesium, it gives Grignard's reagent. So Q is Grignard's reagent. Grignard reagent undergoes nucleophilic addition reaction with aldehydes or ketones. Here the given one is ketone followed by hydrolysis. So any ketone on nucleophilic addition reaction with Grignard reagent can give 3-degree alcohol. So R is nothing but 3-degree alcohol. Now let us find out the sequence of reactions PQR. Given one is cyclohexene. When it is subjected to bromination with N-bromosuccinimide, find out the allylic carbon. This is allylic carbon or this is allylic carbon. Both are identical. So bromination occurs at allylic carbon. Bromination is happening at allylic carbon. So after the formation of allyl bromide, this is reacted with magnesium in the presence of ether. We know Grignard's reagent is formed. Magnesium is inserted between C and Br. So we can get one Grignard reagent. Cyclohexenyl magnesium bromide is the Grignard reagent. In the Grignard reagent, carbon which is attached to metal magnesium is nucleophilic carbon. It has more and more magnitude of negative charge while magnesium has positive charge. So CMG bond is highly polar covalent bond. At any time CMG bond undergoes heterolytic cleavage producing carbene ion. Now we can get allylic carbene ion easily. After the formation of Grignard's reagent, when it is reacted with acetone, then it undergoes nucleophilic addition reaction. So C, which is making bond with magnesium, becomes C minus easily. That will attack at electrophilic carbon present in acetone. Now when C minus of the Grignard reagent attacking at electrophilic carbon, the carbon pushes electron pair onto oxygen. We can get salt-like addition product. This is the salt-like addition product. MgBr, which is converted into cation, comes closer to O minus, forming salt-like addition product. After the formation of salt-like addition product, it undergoes acidification. During the acidification, O minus takes H plus. Then we can get alcohol. So this is the alcohol obtained. So now the alcohol obtained is R. Q is nothing but Grignard's reagent. This is Q. P is allyl bromide. This is P. So regarding these three, some statements are given. You have to find out. P is 3-bromocyclohexene, numbering 1, 2, 3. So this is nothing but 3-bromocyclohexene. You need not use one hexene. That is understood. So A is correct. So whenever both A, B correct, that option is there, you have to take care. Maximum chances will be there for that option to become correct answer. Okay, let us check another one. R has 3-degree alcoholic group. So R is nothing but 3-degree alcohol. This is 3-degree carbon which is holding OH group. That's why R also correct option. So whenever P and A and B both are correct answers, just you check D option, both A and B. So that is the correct answer for us. D is the correct answer. Now another option C is there. R is 2-cyclohexyl propane 2-ol. That is wrong option. So correct answer is D.